The first one's about them coming to India and being overwhelmed by the experience. But in the second one, it's now their house, it's their home, it's where they live. And so they're just getting on with life and the decisions, and they have the same problems a 25-year-old would. So this is just a lot more chaos, a lot more drama, and tons of fun and humor. The first film actually ends very happily. You think that the story's been told and that's it. I was very surprised when the sequel went on to tell a story that's very different from what you'd predict, because when Judy and Bill sit on the bike on the last shot of the film, you think that now they're a couple, but they're still struggling with it. They're still planning tea dates and not more than that. And a lot of the other characters are doing things that are very different from what you'd expect by the end of the first film. So I like that surprise element. And a very central plot of the second one is the Indian wedding, and all the other stories are kind of interwoven into that. And the Indian wedding is a very big celebration, something that we can do over 2 weeks and longer if we want to. And there's a lot of dancing, and it's a bigger celebration of life. It was great to have everyone come back. We had kept in touch since the first part, so we all knew what was going on in each other's lives. There was that comfort because now we'd become friends. So when we came back into the second one, it was like friends meeting again, and that actually helped in the scenes because that comfort level kind of translates. Well, it's the who's who. There's Dame Judi Dench, Dame Maggie Smith, Bill Nye, Tom Wilkinson was in the first one, Celia Imrie, Ronald Pickup, Diana Hardcastle, Dev Patel. He's just a laugh riot. He's like Jim Carrey on 500 Red Bulls. He's a madman. Lilette Dubey, lots of other Indian actors like Rajendra Prasad, Hanith Rehan, lots of amazing actors. We had special guests as well, a newer guest this time, and they blended in effortlessly. It didn't seem like they were new entrants, and I was actually sad about that. I was hoping that they'll feel all awkward, and me being the senior actor, the ones who weren't the first part, could drag them for being the juniors, but that didn't happen because they just blended in effortlessly. It just got bigger and better. If you live life, if you allow yourself that opportunity, then you will be surprised by how much fun and happiness you can still find. So the message is, it's just you leave with a feel-good feeling. You come out feeling positive and happy and hopeful that life can still be fun and interesting no matter what your age.